Hi, welcome to this video. First of all, Happy New Year to all my subscribers and everyone. Hope you guys have a great year ahead. Um, this video is basically about announcing the online math camp 2024. So I'm announcing a live course that will begin from January 10th. So the details for the course will be shared in this video. So first of all, what is this course about? It's about preparing for maths for all the exams that are coming up for you. You might have JEE mains, JEE advanced. Some people might be writing ISI, CMI, or KVPY exams as well. So for all of those students who are preparing for the exams this year, and maybe even if you are in 11th and you want to prepare and get ahead, you can even be a part of this course. So this year or next year, anyone who is preparing for these exams can be a part of this course. So now what will this course entail? So first of all, it's a live course. So all the sessions will be via Zoom, uh, and it will be 5 times a week, 5 days a week, 5 days a week. Each session will have a duration of 1 hour. The timings and the details will be announced and will be shared with you on a WhatsApp group. So I've created a group on WhatsApp for this course, and I invite all of you to join the group. I'll share the link in the description. Shared in the description. So in that group, I'll have a document which outlines what will happen in the course and also the timings and everything. You can talk to each other, you can discuss problems, you can ask me doubts. All of that can be done on the group. And basically the videos of the course will be available to you after the class itself. So what I will do is we'll do the classes will be recorded, and the sessions, the video recordings will be shared with you on a link in a Google Drive folder. So I'll share that with you. Now, the thing is, what is this course going to cover? So we will cover all the maths that is required for JEE Advanced, KVPY, and even for ISI and CMI. So ISI and CMI basically involves some little bits of Olympiad maths also. So I will cover that. Mostly the focus will be on problem solving. So the sessions will focus on solving problems, previous year's questions, any doubts that you might have had, and also the problem sets that I have shared earlier for subscribers for this channel. Problem sets shared earlier. So those problem sets I will be using to help you understand different tricks and get you to improve your maths. So the idea is basically we do enough problems and we discuss the theory through the problem. So if anybody has an issue with a particular theory concept, you can ask me in class or you can ask me on the group. What we will do is we'll do a few problems and discuss the theory alongside the problems for maths especially. So that is the rough plan. The fee for the course will be rupees 2,500 per month. So per month means roughly 20 classes, because there will be 5 classes per week. And if you say 4 weeks in a month, 5 classes per week, so roughly 20 classes or 20 hours, and that will be 2,500 per month. The payment details and etc., all of those details will be shared on the WhatsApp group, right? So it is pretty cheap. I would want as many of you to take advantage of this as possible. Below this price, I don't think it makes sense for me. So I would encourage you guys to join the course. It's not very expensive and it will continue for roughly 5 months. So starting from January 10th till end of June, June 30th, you can assume. So by then we will cover all of the syllabus that is required and we'll do hundreds of problems in the sessions. So hopefully that will benefit you in your coming exams, right? Now, what is the schedule and what are the contents of the course? So for example, I plan to start January 10th to February 10th. The first month will be about calculus. And I'm going to start with integral calculus because that is the topic that many people struggle with. So we'll do a lot of problems in integral calculus in the first few classes. So I'll be sharing the problem sets with you on the group itself. So there is a problem set 26 in the shared drive folder that has around 190 to 200 problems, which are a good enough practice for any kind of exam. So we'll start with that. So once we cover a little bit of integral calculus, we'll go back to the other topics in calculus, the differential portions, functions, limits, and all. And basically, the first month will be calculus. Then February 10th onwards to March 1st, say, I want to focus on algebra. And in algebra also, the idea will be learning the topics through problem solving, and problem sets will be shared for that as well. So problem sets, which are mixed problem sets, there are around 30 problem sets that I have already created and shared with students who are subscribers of this channel. So you can already start working on these problems right away. But during this time in the classes, we'll be discussing some of the problems from these problem sets, right? Then the whole of March will be focused on March 30th will be focused on coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry because it's a very scoring section of the syllabus. Problems in coordinate geometry, people face difficulties, but it's actually a very easy topic. And here we'll be focusing on some SL learning exercises to help you guys understand the concepts. Then after March, the last 3 months, April, May, and June. April, May, and June will be all about previous year's questions and more problem solving. So that is the rough and tentative plan. Of course, as the students join in, and if you have certain special needs, if you have certain topics that you're weak on, I will try and adjust the plan accordingly, and I'll help you with that. So since we are going to meet for 5 times in a week, there is plenty of time for us to decide what is important and what people are struggling with. So based on that and based on your feedback, we will change the syllabus or change the plan of the course as required. But the main idea is to focus on calculus, algebra, coordinate for the first 3 months, and after that we do problem solving from all the topics, right? So that is the tentative plan for the course. The rest of the details will be shared on the WhatsApp group itself. So I would encourage you to join the WhatsApp group. I have shared the link in the description, and I will inform you guys of the details as required. Once you join the group, you can drop me a personal message. Once you have paid the fee for the course, January 10th is the first class. So we have 7 days from now. So you can register yourself for the course by messaging me privately. I'll confirm when you have paid the fees and you are onboarded as a student. So that is the plan. Hopefully it will benefit all of you. The price of the course is super cheap. There will be a lot of contact, there will be a lot of sessions, and you will definitely benefit from it. And hopefully you'll do well in your exams this year. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in class.